Mabuhay! Welcome to Ilocos Region, a land of vibrant culture, breathtaking landscapes, and mouth-watering cuisine. Get ready to explore the wonders of Region 1 as we uncover its hidden gems and iconic landmarks. Prepared by Christian Ray Bintulan, Marcia Matthew Bernaldez, and Kyle Ivan Bondalo. Ilocos Region, officially Region 1, sits proudly in the northwestern part of Luzon, the Philippines' largest island, bordered by the Cordillera Administrative Region to the east, Cagayan Valley to the northeast and southeast, Central Luzon to the south, and the vast South China Sea to the west. Ilocos is a strategic and stunning location, spanning approximately 20,796 square kilometers. Ilocos region is composed of 4 beautiful provinces. Contains Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, La Union, and Pangasinan. Each province offers a unique flavor and wealth of experiences. Home to over 5.3 million Filipinos, according to the 2020 census survey. Ilocos region boasts a vibrant and bustling community with a population density of around 409 inhabitants per square kilometers. You'll find a lively atmosphere wherever you go. Administratively, Ilocos region is divided into 116 municipalities and 9 cities, further broken down into 3,296 barangays or local communities. This intricate network highlights the region's organized and community-focused structure. In 2022, Ilocos region's economy experienced a remarkable growth of 7.6%, reaching a total value of 654.9 billion pesos, contributing 3.3% to the country's overall GDP growth. Ilocos is a significant economic driver in the Philippines. Let's journey to Ilocos Norte, located in the northwestern tip of Luzon, with Lawag as its capital. Ilocos Norte is a land of stunning coastlines and rugged landscapes. It's bordered by Cagayan and Apayao to the east, Abra to the southeast, and Ilocos Sur to the southwest, with a land area of approximately 3,418.75 square kilometers. Ilocos Norte is home to over 609,000 people, representing about 11.5% of the Ilocos region's total population. First stop, the magnificent Paway Church, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This architectural marvel boasts a stunning Baroque design and iconic bell tower. Its historical significance and breathtaking facade make it an absolute must-see. Next, witness the iconic Bangi windmills. These colossal wind turbines not only harness the power of wind energy, but also offer a picturesque backdrop along the Bangi Bay coastline, creating a unique blend of sustainability and scenic beauty. For the adventurous souls, the La Paz Sand Dunes await. Experience the thrill of sandboarding and 4x4 rides across this vast, sandy landscape, set against the stunning backdrop of the sea, an unforgettable adventure. Now, let's explore Ilocos Sur, a province steeped in history and charm. With Vigan as its capital, Ilocos Sur is bordered by Ilocos Norte and Abra to the north, Mountain Province to the east, La Union and Benguet to the south, and the South China Sea to the west, covering a land area of approximately 2,596 square kilometers. Ilocos Sur is home to over 706,000 residents, making up around 13.32% of the region's population. Step back in time as you stroll along Calle Crisologo in Vigan City. This iconic old world street transports you to a bygone era with its cobblestone walkways and century-old buildings. Immerse yourself in the nostalgic ambience and rich history. Perched atop a hill in Santa Maria, this magnificent church offers breathtaking vistas. Its Baroque design and historical significance make it another must-visit destination in Ilocos Sur. Don't miss the historic Bantay Church Bell Tower. Once a watchtower during the Spanish era, climb to the top for panoramic views of the surroundings area and appreciate its architectural grandeur. Next up is La Union, famous for its surfing waves and laid-back vibes. As part of the Ilocos region on the island of Luzon, the province's capital is the city of San Fernando. It shares borders with Ilocos Sur to the north, Benguet to the east, Pangasinan to the south, and the shores of the South China Sea to the west. La Union covers a land area of approximately 1,499.28 square kilometers. As one of the 2020 census, La Union's population was 822,352. This represents 15.51% of the total population of the Ilocos region. La Union is a surfer's paradise, especially in Orbistondo, San Juan. Whether you are a seasoned pro or a beginner, catching the waves here is an absolute must, and get ready to ride the surf. Explore the vineyards in Bawang and experience the unique activity of grape picking. Savor the taste of fresh grapes while enjoying the picturesque surroundings. For non-surfers, embark on a delightful food trip in San Juan, discovering mouth-watering dishes from budget-friendly options to splurge-worthy treats. San Juan has something to satisfy every palate.
Finally, we arrive in Pangasinan, a province rich in natural beauty and cultural heritage, located in the Ilocos region on the island of Luzon. Its capital city in Lingayen, bordered by the Lingayen Gulf and South China Sea to the north, the Cordillera Mountains to the east, Tarlac to the south, and Zambales to the west. Pangasinan covers an area of approximately 1,499.28 square kilometers. As of 2020 census, the province has a total population of 3,163,190, ranking 6th in the country in terms of population. Discover the enchanting Hundred Islands National Park in Alaminos, with about 124 islands and islets scattered across the Lingayen Gulf. Enjoy island hopping, snorkeling, kayaking, and more in this breathtaking archipelago. Visit the iconic Cape Bolinao Lighthouse, standing tall about Punta Piedra Point in Barangay Patar, Bolinao. Its unique architecture makes it a perfect tourist spot, offering stunning views of the sea. Relax and unwind on Patar Beach, boasting a 500-meter stretch of golden sand along the northwestern part of the Lingayen Gulf. The fine white sand invites beachgoers to relax, sunbathe, and soak up the sun. To make your trip even more personal, Ilocos Regions invites you to find the one in Region 1. This branding campaign is encouraged to visitors to discover that unique place, food, or experience that resonates with them. Use the official hashtag #FindTheOne in Region 1 to share your journey. Foodies, Reduce the Maycan, Discovering the Flavors of the North campaign is designed to showcase the unique and mouth-watering cuisine of Ilocano and Pangasinan. Maycan, meaning Come Eat in Ilocano and Pangasinan, is part of the National Philippine Experience Program, highlighting the region's exceptional culinary offerings. Experience the vibrant culture of Ilocos through its colorful festivals. First, the Pamulinawin Lawag City, a grand celebration honoring the city's patron saint, Saint William the Hermit. Enjoy street parades, cultural shows, and beauty pageants. Next, immerse yourself in the Viva Vegan Binatbatan Festival of the Arts, a grand celebration in Vegan City, Ilocos Sur, held in the first week of May. Experience the rich artistic heritage of the region. Guling Guling Festival, a local celebration held in the municipality of San Juan, La Union. Cuisine Delicacy. Vegan Longanisa. No trip to Ilocos is complete without savoring the local delicacy. First up, the iconic vegan longanisa, a local pork sausage known for its distinct, garlicky, and slightly sour flavor, a true Ilocano staple.
Bagnet. Indulge in bagnet, also known as chicharon baboy in other regions. This perfectly crispy, deep-fried pork belly is boiled, air-dried, and then deep-fried again to achieve the irresistible crunch. Considered the region's delicacy symbol.
Empanada. Grab a bite of the Ilocos empanada, a popular street food with a vibrant orange crust made from rice flour and anato, filled with local longanisa, shredded green papaya, and a beaten egg. It's often served with sokang Iloco, an Ilocos-style vinegar, a true taste of the region. Tupig. For a sweet treat, try tupig. This rice cake is made from ground glutinous rice and coconut milk, wrapped in banana leaves, and baked over coals, giving it a smoky flavor. A popular snack or dessert, especially during the Christmas season. Dodol. Savor the traditional flavors of dodol, a sweet and sticky dessert found in Ilocos, made from rice flour, coconut milk, sugarcane juice, and anise. It requires continuous stirring during preparation, resulting in a truly unique treat. Patupat, another kakanin rice cake delicacy, popular in several northern Luzon provinces, made from glutinous rice cooked in a pouch woven from coconut leaves and boiled in sugarcane juice until sweet and tender. For those who wish to learn more about the wonderful Ilocos region, you may check out the reference link provided. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and discover the beauty, culture, and flavors of Ilocos region. #find the one in Region 1. Daghang salamat. Thank you.